In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to use answer piping in Weavly. So you might call it answer piping or dynamic fields or response piping. The principle is the same. So we have a response to one of our questions, and we basically want to use that response somewhere down the line. So it could be part of another question, could just be part of a text. The same goes for quiz mode. So if you go into settings and toggle quiz mode, you might want to be able to reuse the score of that person somewhere in a piece of text. All of that is accessible within Weavly with the same functionality. So let's add another element and I'll show you how that works. So what's your name? And let's say we want to use the name here in this question here. So how are you doing? And then the name of the person. So the way that you do this in Weavly is just you type the @ symbol, and then you'll either see all of your form elements here, and if you toggle quiz mode, you'll get additionally the scores that you can use. So in our case, how are you doing? And then of course, what is your name is the one that we want to select. And then if we head on over to preview, you'll see how this works. So when it's blank, you'll just see an underscore, but as soon as I start typing my name in here, you can see that it gets updated automatically. So if it's on the same screen, respondents will see the underscore. If it's not on the same screen, of course, they will always see the value that they typed in. So this goes for form elements, but this could also work with quiz scores or total scores, for example, when you have toggled the quiz mode in the settings. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and like and subscribe.